So this is the moment where I get to interview some of you guys. This is not part of the competition anymore. I think that we just help build some rapport to the audience people. Mas makilala kayo. And probably you have anyone you want to thank or anyone that you, kaya ba to? Anything that you want to promote. If you are doing any vlogging, TikTok, if you want to promote your social media pages, I think some of you are vloggers as well. Some of you have businesses. Now's the perfect time. May mga vlogs dito. It really helps boost, of course, your pages. Kung comfortable lang din ba kayo share. Kung hindi, not a problem as well. So, yun lang. Simple question would be introduce yourself. If you have anyone to thank, and if you have any businesses that you want to promote, we would be more than happy to hear from you. Alright. Yeah, thank you so much, James. Okay. So, Hams, let's start with Hams number 2.
Siguro po salamat sa revenue na support din na nandun sa ano po. Salamat din ako sa Panginoon natin na opportunity dito. Ano po.
So much, brother. Maraming mga nag-cheer din sila kanina. Go on.
Hello po, magandang gabi. Ako po pala si Joy ng Nabi from Manolos po lang. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga sumasuporta sa mga nanonood. Maraming salamat po.
Good evening everyone, I'm Nasir from Zambales. I would like to thank tumulong po sa akin sa organization. Kay Sir Ashong po, tsaka kay Sir Vic po. Thank you po.
Hello, I'm JR. I'm from Marikina. I just want to say thank you to everyone, especially to my girlfriend over there, of course, and also to my handler, my Bernie. Thank you so much.
Hello, I'm Joko Castro. Ayun lang, asa ka nag-enjoy kayo lahat? Minimiss din mga tiwag lang siya. Shoutout sa lahat na pumunta. Sana pumunta kayo ulit.
Hello everyone, I'm Ivan. So first of all, I want to thank God, to our managers and to our staffs, and sa mga lahat ng nanood din lang.
Hello, magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Una-una nagpapasalamat ako sa mga pumunta dito and also especially sa nagbuo ng event na to and sa mga staff. Grabe, sobrang effort nila. Nagpapasalamat din po ako sa mga judges na nakikilaw sa atin. Maraming salamat.
Hello everyone, my name is Sana Timana from Mandaluyong City. Unang-una gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa lahat. Sa first time experience sa ganitong event, maraming salamat.
Hello, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Draven Yuri. Nagpapasalamat ako sa manager ko sa pagdala sa akin dito. Sa lahat ng bumubuo ng program na to.